Hello everyone, welcome back to another Handshake tutorial video. The topic for this video will be on how to job search for local and on-campus positions. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Handshake student account. On the home screen, click on Jobs on the top of the page. From here, you can filter jobs by location, Stephenville, Texas, and click and drag to scale for distance. Click on Show Results. Filter part-time jobs. And here you can see that there are 25 jobs found 10 miles within Stephenville. To filter for on-campus jobs, search for Tarleton State University. And here you can see that there are 19 jobs found for Tarleton State University on-campus jobs. Check back often as new jobs are added daily. And thank you for watching this Handshake tutorial video. Have a great day.